Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is all about this value bumper pack that I purchased from Poundland. This value pack gives you up to 60% off the original price of the items. And it is only £5, which I thought was pretty awesome. So, to pull you guys out, inside this bumper pack, we get 2 more packs. We get this mega LOL special bumper pack. It says there are 6 gifts inside the bag to collect, and this is the cover. It says there's Minecraft, Star Wars, Avengers, Mario. It's got Fortnite. It's got Pokemon, apparently. So that's pack number 1. Pack number 2 is another mega pack. It's a New Year, New Heroes pack. It says there are new Pokemon, Fortnite, Minecraft. You get a free kids pass for lit days out. It's got Avengers. We just had something full. It's got Avengers. So guys, we're just going to open this pack and have a look and see what we get inside, and maybe make a determination at the end whether we thought it was value for money. Okay, so they are completely sealed. So I'm going to have to aggressively rip it open. This is some seriously tough plastic. Okay, the first thing that we get is this mega book. And well, it's a paper book, and you get, let's have a look. I love the fact that we've got Pokemon on the front. Inside the book, we'll just quickly flick through it. We've got stories, we've got current affairs, we've got puzzles. So inside the book, you're getting all these different activities. It tells you what's coming next time. You've got stories on Pokemon. So this is just, you can design your own characters. That's pretty awesome. We've got a bit of a comic. So that's pretty cool. It's quite a good little activity pack. This is issue 91. It's the 5th of February to the 10th of March 2020. So this is an old pack, which is fine. I picked it up recently. It's probably stuff they had lying around. I'm totally fine with that. I don't mind. So let's look. Inside it says you're getting 6 items. So we've got the magazine. We've got a Pokemon trading card. There is only one trading card inside here. It is Sword and Shield. We'll have a look at that in a moment. Oh, we've got candy. We've got a Tango Sour Blast blue raspberry flavored pencil with fondant inside. I cannot stand fizzy, so we're not going to be opening that. But it's fun that you get that. Anything else inside this pack? Oh, we have a gamer eraser. It is a blind bag. We will open that in a second. And what we also have is this little basketball shooter game. I mean, that's quite fun. It comes with the basketball net that you can attach using stickies to your door, to a piece of plywood, and it has the hoop. You put the balls inside, you shoot them, and if you score, you win. So that's quite fun. Because I'm not going to open this, I'm going to keep this in the packaging, and this probably will enter into one of my giveaways. But it's still fun. This item is probably worth £1. You can buy this in Poundland for £1. The gaming eraser, probably also £1. We're going to open this gaming eraser and see what we get. Oh, wow. Is this an old style? It looks like an M for Mario. An old style gaming console controller, but it's still a lot of fun. Probably worth £1. Is this Tango Blast worth £1? Probably not. The trading card, maybe these 2 items £1 each, and the magazine 50p. So all in total, we're probably getting £3.50 worth of value in that pack. Guys, let's go ahead and open our Pokemon card. I'm so bad at opening these. I'm just going to use my teeth. So this Pokemon trading card is a Sword and Shield. It says it's a fun pack. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, we got more than one card. Okay, so we got this first card, which is it a Sila Cobra? Sand Attack, that is a nice card. We've got a Yamper, which is a pretty card, and we've got a Quick Ball. And guys, I think, is this a holo card? I'm not sure. But these are our Pokemon cards. If anybody is interested in these Pokemon cards, let me know in the comment section below. I can arrange to have them sent to you. I will not be keeping these. I am not a Pokemon. I am a Pokemon fan, but I do not play Pokemon card games. Okay, guys, the next mega pack that we've got is right here. And we're going to just, without wasting time, we're going to rip this right over. Or we're going to rip this right open. Okay, guys, again, so, ooh, this is a nice cover. This issue is issue 90. So it's the 8th of January to the 4th of February 2020. Again, an old magazine. So a lot of the offers and things that are inside probably will not apply. But it's still a fun magazine. Has a lot of interesting stories. Some really nice posters. Nice comic. So it's still worthwhile picking this up just to have the little activities. So again, we're going to say that's probably worth 50p. Ooh, what do we have here? We have a table hockey glides on surfaces. So you can actually play your own table hockey on any of your surfaces. So that's pretty cute. I mean, this is probably worth, I would say, £1. You'd probably pick that up at £1 in Poundland. What else do we have in here? Okay, Tango are definitely sponsored in these mega packs. We have an orange flavored popping candy. Guys, Tango are just, the flavor of Tango is so intense. It's not a flavor that I really enjoy, but I do like popping candy. It's always nice to get a little treat inside one of these mega packs, but that's probably worth about 20p. Ooh, we've got a fun squishy. It is an emoji squishy. It is one of these squishies that has the orbs inside, or orb type things. And I like the little, sunglasses. Again, guys, not going to open this. I will probably pop this into a giveaway. But that's fun. I mean, realistically, I probably wouldn't pay any more than 50p for this. So we're probably talking that we've, on the whole, we've probably got around £2.20 out of this pack so far. Okay, guys, last item inside this pack is completely empty. I'll just pop that off to the side. Oh, we've got a little chute, a little gun that has these rubber, the rubberized bullets. I mean, this is fun. This is probably another £1 item. It is exceptionally lightweight. It does have a scope that isn't usable, totally fine. But again, fun, probably a £1 item. So we could probably say that we got £3.20 from this pack. And then we got, what were we saying these were? So 50p, probably £1. £2, £3. Say the cards are £1, £4. So we definitely did better out of our first mega pack than we did from our second. But overall, I feel really happy that we've gotten value for money. I was a bit worried, I guess, at the start when I was picking this up that I was paying £5 for something I definitely wasn't getting value in. But I'm super happy now that we've got value and we've got extra value. So the price of the actual bag itself was well worth it, in my opinion. This is simply my opinion. And guys, I am going to be doing a giveaway very soon. You might find that a lot of these little items are featured in that giveaway. There's no point me holding on to them. I have, I guess I could give them away to friends and family, but I think it's always fun to give back to you guys. We will pop that inside this little bag. And I will seal that up again, so then it becomes a mystery for whoever gets it. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments or anything that you guys want to tell me, leave it in the comment section below. I definitely will come back to you. I will either reply to your comment or I will heart your comment. So please leave comments in the comment section below. I really like hearing your feedback. Let me know what you thought of this mega pack and whether you potentially would be interested in buying it. I thought it was fun. Will I pick up another one? Probably not, unless it was something that really caught my eye, but I still think it's fun. I mean, Pokemon cards are pretty awesome, especially this gorgeous little shiny one. I know a lot of people are avid collectors of Pokemon cards, and I think that's awesome. So to get a pack of 3 inside, I really like the Pokemon, the back of the Pokemon cards. To get a set of 3 is definitely awesome. So, I mean, I'm pretty happy. I'm really, really happy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun not only buying this item, but also showing you guys what's inside. Please take care. Please stay safe. Look after each other. And I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, guys.